Welcome back. Today I am going to discuss need and significance of research. As we know, every research has some objective or need, and what could be the significance in terms of application, in terms of decision making in the area of application. So today we will discuss this same. The need of a research or a purpose of a research could be to explore anything. Exploration is the act of searching for the purpose of discovery of information or resources. And research can also be used to describe by giving a detailed about the event, process, phenomena, etc. To diagnose, a research help to determine the identity of problem, to ascertain the cause or nature of problem from the phenomena and to solve the problem. For example, the mechanic diagnosed the problem that caused the engine knock. A research will describe the need, validity, and limitation of an hypothesis. Not all studies have hypotheses. Sometimes a study is designed to be exploratory, to develop reasoning for induction and deductions. Let us try to understand both the terms in detail. Induction is moving from specific observation to broader generalization and theories. Initially, we sometimes call this a bottom-up approach. In inductive reasoning, we begin with specific observations and measures begin to detect patterns and regularities, formulate some tentative hypotheses that we can explore, and finally end up developing some general conclusions or theories. Deduction reasoning works from in more general to more specific. Sometimes this is informally called top-down approach. We might begin with thinking up a theory about our topic of interest. We then narrow that down into more specific hypotheses that we can test. We narrow down even further when we collect observation to address the hypothesis. This ultimately leads us to be able to test the hypothesis with specific data and put the confirmation. Scope or significance of research. Every research has some scope and significance in that field. In the field of research for decision making, a research can throw light on risk and uncertainty. In general, this kind of research discusses the risk and uncertainty related to the problem and helps in decision making and suggest alternative course of action to overcome the risk and uncertainty. Research also helps in better utilization of available resources, can also help you to identify the parameter or sector or department or process needs to be focused. Scope of research could be to solve the investment problems, to solve pricing problems, to help in solving the allocation problems and solve decision making issues in HR and solves various operational and planning problems of business and industry. The research provides the basis for all the government policies in our economic system, helps social scientists in studying social relationships and in seeking answer to various social problems. For student, research means a careerism or a way to attain a high position in the social structure. For professionals in research, it may mean a source of livelihood. A research can also help in for philosophers and thinkers. Research means they outlet a new idea and insight. For literary men and women, research means development of new style, creative work. For analysts and intellectuals, research means generalization of new theories.